So hello friends, welcome again to another new video on HTML. So today we are gonna do only two programs, and let's quickly see and let's quickly start the video. Okay, so this is our first program, right? So as you usually I just copy the program and then I paste it in Notepad and then I run it, then I explain it, right? So I'm gonna copy this program and open Note++. So I'm gonna paste it over here, right where it goes. So I pasted it. Now let's save this on my HTML folder, right? So here is my HTML folder. There are the earlier videos, right? So I'm gonna put it right 3.html 3.html. Okay, so I've written 3.html. I have saved also. Now let's see what happens in the program. Oh, not this file, sorry, this file. So I've opened the file. So as you can see, this program is behind you, I'm in front of you. What the program says, it's very easy, simple program, nothing is used in this program, but it is an important program. So under style tag we have used heading tag, and we have put the color of the heading, and font family which is Vardhana, font size which is 300%. Then under para means this was all about heading color, how the heading should look like. Okay, now how the para will look like. Color is red, font color is Courier, and font size is 160%. So as you can see, the color is red and this color is blue. And on a body tag we have written that this is a heading and this is a para. This was so simple and easy program, guys, right? It was very easy. Now let's go for the next program. So where is the next program? It is an image board. So as you can see, the next program is gonna be quite big. So let's copy the program and see what is there in the program, why this program is an important one. So I have copied finally I have copied the program, guys. Okay, let me cut this, paste it, save it, my photo.html. I've saved it, save. Now open the file. Okay, here is the file. As you can see, this is an important, now this topic is about transparent box, right? So let's see the program, what I have used in this program. So under style tag we have used div background color, which is green, right? And div, then again we have closed bracket, and again we have started bracket. By before we have written that div first opacity 0.1 comma, div second opacity 0.3, and div third opacity is 0.6. now this is the writing. As you can see, this is the writing, and one opacity is there, one default, which I have not used in style tag. Okay, now we have closed style tag, we have closed head tag. Now we have came in the body tag, we have used heading. As you can see, the heading is transparent box, and we have used an para, stupidity para. Then we have come to the real program. Okay, the real thing is that which is always in the body, and it is written that div class equal to first h1 opacity 0.1. for this here is showing the opacity is 0.1. now like this I have written like this, and finally the color of this comes like this: first transparent, then a little bit transparent, then a little, and then the full color is coming, right? So this is an important transparent program. It was an easy program, but a bit big program, right? I can understand. Now for today, guys, only this much. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and if you like the video and if you like the program, please do share and subscribe our video. Okay, bye bye.